Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. My goal for today is to get an entire row done, metal and insulation both. I'm a little bit behind because I had to do some cleanup. I had a bunch of tin on the floor from installing the F&J, and I forgot to tape these seams on this last row and had the insulation in there, so I had to lift the insulation up, get the seams taped. I'm using this as a vapor barrier, if you remember. So this video is going to be entirely time-lapse, and I'm just going to bust away at this and get this done. So let's get going. Bada bing, bada boom, another row of tin in place. Now I'm going to be cutting all of the fiberglass in advance, kind of like I did yesterday. And then I got to go up and tape every single opening. So I'll just move the tape as I go. And hopefully I can get this done by my normal stopping time. Let's get under the light here. I want to show you the results of that clamp falling on my arm the other day. That is from a bone bruise. The clamp fell on this side. You can see the discoloration there as well, but the results are showing on the opposite side of the arm. I'll see if I can get that little clip. It was this clamp right here. I was moving the scaffold and then this came down and this hit my arm. This is solid steel. This is a heavy clamp. It's 3 feet long. Got a lot of weight to it. Well, solid steel and cast iron. So I'll have to put up with that for a couple weeks probably. All right, I got to quick walk the dogs, and then I'll be back to start cutting the fiberglass. All right, that's going to wrap it up for today. Another row of tin, and we'll call it half the insulation. I could get another row of insulation in here, but there's absolutely no more time today. I didn't even think that I could get the tin and one row of insulation in, let alone two, so I'm doing pretty good. So tomorrow, I think I'll just start with the insulation and put the tin up after that, and we will be ahead of the game. We just have one more bay to go, and then the wall, and we have a heated shop. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.